Hello friends. Then in last video I explained how to implement get entity set method. In this video I am going to explain how to implement get entity method. Here you can see this one is the get entity method, but the question is that if we already have get entity set method, then why we need get entity method to implement? For that I am going to service maintenance screen. Yesterday what we did? Yesterday we selected our entity set and we executed it, and we get all our records of, and we get all the records of our table. Here you can see now I have 3 records inside my table and I am getting all the records. But what if I have to get only single record from my table? For doing that operation we have to implement get entity method. Here I will show you. I want only single record. For getting only single record, what I am going to do? I am going to query only single record from my entity set. Once I am executing it, then here you can see it's saying method employee set get entity not implemented. Then we get to know like we need to implement this method, then we can get single records from our table. Okay, now I'm going to redefine my get entity method. I'm deleting all these. Now what we have to do? First we have to read which index number I am giving. Then our first query will be what? Like we want to read the index, we want to read the index number which we are providing it here. Okay, to read that index number we have one importing parameter which is IT key tab. Once I'm double clicking it here you can see we have two parameters, name and value. Name will be our index and value will be what we are passing. Okay, I'm going back to read our entered value. What I am going to do, I am going to read table IT key tab. Okay, read table. I'm going to copy this. Read table IT key tab into data LT key with key, and key will be case sensitive. For that I am going to transaction SCGW. Okay, let me close some sessions. Okay, SCGW. Then this one is our key field. I'm going to copy this. Oh, again I have to write. Okay, read table. IT key tab into data LT key with key. Our key which we copy with key name equals to ID num dot. Then in our LT key we will get in IT key we will get our record. Okay, if psi above c equals to 0, then data LV well equals to IT key tab, and what will be the field? LT key value. Okay, now we are going to write our select query. Here we will write select single star from. I am going to copy my table name from table into I am going to open my signature, and here we will have one exporting parameter, and this exporting parameter will be of type structure. Here you can see TS. TS means table structure. I'm going to copy this parameter into our ER entity. Now I'm trying to into ER entity. Let me activate it. Okay, it's activated now. Now I am going to execute this once again. Here you can see now I am getting status code 200 and only one single data I am getting. This is the use of get entity method. Here I am getting single record. Okay, let me check. Okay, here I did not provided where condition. Where where id num equals to lv val. Okay, let me activate it. What error it's giving? Hmm, id num it's not taking. Let me check this value. Okay, id num it's not taking. Okay, let me check the field name. Okay, field name is this. Okay, now it should activate. Yeah, it's activated now. Now I'm going to query. Okay, here you can see now I'm getting the second record of my table. If I'm querying third record means like the value it is searching based on ID num. Then wherever ID num equals to 3, it will select that record. Here you can see it selected that record. Okay, this is for today. In next video, I will explain how we can implement create entity method. Thank you for watching.